Are you wondering how to change your Shopify store address? Well, if that's the case, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what you need to do. And thankfully, it's not going to take you very long at all. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to your admin section or the back end of your Shopify store. And from there, you just need to go down to the settings button at the bottom. And if you click that, you're going to get this screen here. Now, you'll see it's actually on the first page that kind of comes up. So it's under the store section, store details section. So make sure you're on that. And then you'll see here, there's your address. So this is what's going to basically appear on your customer order confirmations and your Shopify bill. So to change it, you just click the edit button and you go through the little form here. So you can change your, to change your country or region, you need to deactivate your payments in the payment settings, and then you can update it. But assuming that that's correct, assuming you haven't changed country or relocated, then all you need to do is you just need to change your address here. So you basically you could put in your full address here, an apartment or suite number, and then put your city and your postcode. And that's pretty much it. Once you've done that, just don't forget to hit the save button at the bottom, and that will update for you. And that's how to change your Shopify store address. Told you it was simple. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this, and do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you head over there, I've got plenty of different videos on using and maximizing Shopify for your business. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.